My dear child, I see your heart as clearly as I see the rising sun, and I know every thought that dances across your mind. I know when you are filled with enthusiasm and excitement, ready to take on the day, and I also know when you are weighed down by burdens too heavy to carry on your own. I speak to you now as the God who formed the very foundations of the universe, the one who set the stars in the night sky and who breathed life into every living being. I want you to listen carefully, to pause your racing thoughts, and to let these words reach deep into your soul. I am here, and I will never abandon you. I have prepared blessings beyond anything you can imagine, and I have the power to open doors that no one can close. I tell you truly, when I declare a season of favor over your life, not a single power in heaven or on earth can stand in my way. Every obstacle, every hindrance, every negative force that tries to rise up against you will be broken, so long as you keep your eyes on me. Remind yourself of this promise when you feel afraid or uncertain. There is nothing, absolutely nothing, that can separate you from my love, my protection, and my desire to guide you into a future filled with hope and victory. Child, I know you have heard me speak of my love for you many times, but let me repeat it yet again. I love you with a love that is eternal and unwavering. My tenderness is not dependent on what you achieve, nor on how strong you appear. It flows freely, like an endless fountain, available to you every second of every day. Yes, I speak these words not because I must, but because I delight in affirming my devotion to you. I want you to feel the warmth and security that come from knowing you are always cherished. When your strength fails and you find yourself stumbling, do not be ashamed to cry out to me. Remember this: I am your divine support, and I will lift you up in your moment of need. Today is a day of new opportunities. Many tasks and responsibilities may lie before you, but I want you to approach each of them with an unshakable spirit. Work with your whole heart, give your best, and when your strength grows thin, call upon me. I will be at your side, ready to replenish your energy and infuse you with courage. If your mind grows weary, I will refresh it with my word. If your spirit feels burdened, I will place my comforting hand upon you. You need not fear the storms of life when I am your shelter. My arms will forever be a place of refuge, a strong tower in which you can rest without worry. Do not hesitate to ask me for good things. If there is a dream you wish to pursue, speak to me about it. If there is a goal you long to accomplish, tell me. If there is a door you cannot open on your own, bring it before me with a confident heart. My will is to bless you, to provide for you, and to lead you down paths that bring peace, fulfillment, and joy. Yet, I also desire your humble acknowledgement that every good gift flows from my hand. When you seek me first, all other blessings will come in due time. By focusing on me, you gain clarity and insight into the best route for your life. Surrender your anxieties, release your worry into my care, and trust that I have orchestrated every detail with perfect precision. My child, I see the many challenges you face, the difficulties at home, the pressures at work or school, the relational conflicts that weigh heavy on your heart. I understand how complicated life can be, how the trials of each day can wear down even the strongest spirit. But I want to assure you, in the middle of this chaos, I am your steady anchor. I have promised that I will never leave you nor forsake you. Cling to my word in those moments when you feel like you are losing your grip. My grace is your shield, my love your protection, and my truth your guiding light. Listen carefully, and do not let yourself be carried away by distractions. The world is full of noise, voices calling for your attention, tempting you to drift away from my presence. But I want to see in you a heart that knows how to be still, that knows how to wait patiently, and that understands the value of my holy word. Patience is a precious fruit of the Spirit, a quality that will serve you well in times of testing. Resist the temptation to rush through my counsel, eager for quick fixes. Instead,
My beloved child, I see you. I see the tears that fall when no one is watching. I hear the silent cries that you hide from the world. I feel the weight of your sorrow, the ache in your heart that words cannot express. And I want you to know this: you are not alone. From the moment you took your first breath, I have walked beside you. In times of joy, I rejoiced with you. In times of sorrow, I held you even when you could not feel my embrace, when the world seemed too heavy, when your heart felt shattered beyond repair. I was there, whispering, I am with you. Do you think I do not see your pain? Do you think I am far away when you weep? No, my child, I am closer than your breath, nearer than your heartbeat. I have counted every tear that has fallen from your eyes. Not one has been wasted. Not one has been unseen. Each one is precious to me, for they are the language of your soul, the prayers your lips cannot form. And I, your father, hold each tear as a promise that I will never leave you. Have you forgotten my words? Have you not heard? Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. I am the God of all comfort, the one who binds up the broken-hearted. I do not take pleasure in your suffering, but I promise you this: your pain is not in vain. It is not meaningless. You may not understand why you must endure such sorrow, why the nights feel endless and the burden so heavy. But trust me, my child, for I am working even in your tears. What you see as loss, I see as a path to something greater. What you see as pain, I see as the soil where new strength will grow. Do you remember the storm? When my disciples were in the boat, the waves crashed, the winds howled, and fear consumed them. They thought I was sleeping, unaware of their struggle. But I was there. I was always there. And with just a word, I calmed the storm. So it is with your life. The storm may rage, the night may feel unending, but I am in the boat with you. And in my perfect time, I will say, peace, be still. My beloved, I know what it is to weep. I, too, have shed tears. When my son walked among you, he cried at the grave of his friend. He wept over the pain of the world. He knew sorrow, just as you do. And yet, in the midst of his suffering, he held on to me. I do not ask you to be strong on your own. I do not ask you to carry your burdens alone. I only ask you to come to me, to rest in my presence, to let me hold you as you weep. For I am not only your God, I am your Father, your refuge, your shelter. My child, the world may not understand your pain. Others may dismiss your sorrow or fail to see the depth of your struggle. But I see it all. I see the nights you spend awake, the thoughts that weigh on your heart, the prayers you whisper in the dark. And I promise you this: I am working, even when you cannot see it. The seasons will change. The storm will pass. The tears you shed today will water the ground for tomorrow's joy. For I have promised, those who sow in tears will reap with songs of joy. So do not fear, my beloved. Do not despair. When you walk through the valley, I walk with you. When you stand in the fire, I stand beside you. When the waters rise, I will not let you drown. I am your God, your protector, your everlasting peace. Hold on to me. Rest in my love. Your tears will not last forever, but my love for you will. And one day, I will wipe away every tear from your eyes. Sorrow will be no more, and you will see the beauty that was born from your pain. Until that day, trust me. Even in your tears, I am with you.